Super easy to ride, guys. Really, really easy. Super comfy. Hi guys, welcome to Supermet. Today I am with the Mate Bike X. This is it's quite high. It's a 750 watt, Bafang powered, rear drive with a battery e-bike. And you can see Tundra tires, hydraulic brakes. I think they're 160mm disc. They may be 140. I can't actually tell. I think they're 160s with hydraulic calipers. Adjustable suspension, which you can just click around on top to give yourself a different ride. It's got the same at the back. This isn't adjustable though, but it's got a shock. It's a foldable bike and it is pink, or as PET are telling me, it's not pink, Dom, it's salmon. Well, I'm not so sure about this, but really nice bike, not too heavy. I'm going to get the stats, which I'll put on the screen because I don't know exactly how much it weighs, but it's a doable, liftable bike. So you could actually put the seat down. You can unlock the stem here. You can basically, if I turn it around this way, you can see you can undo this clasp, which has got a safety lock on it, and you could put this under your desk or next to your desk, or carry it into your house and then charge it back up. It's a nice bike. I'm pretty impressed with it. It's seriously comfy. These tires are so spongy. I mean, look at those. It's just amazing. I mean, it's really, you feel it would go anywhere, yet it's kind of a commuter bike design. Hi guys, welcome to Supermet. I am out on the Mate Bike X again, and we are hopefully going to have a better ride than we did last time. So if you remember in the last video that I did remove it. We had brake issues, throttle issues, and a flat battery. We have a full battery now, and we're going to go off to the reservoir as before, and hopefully get some good footage. Well, I tell you what, this is a seriously comfortable bike. Okay, so I'm just using the throttle now, and it's very, very easy. Yeah, no issues with this at all. Somebody on their one wheel took them out pretty successfully. Okay, so we're in Leighton. We're going along by the reservoir. We're testing out the Insta360 camera today, which I've got to say I haven't been using. It's just been sitting in my bag. This bike is impressive. Okay, let's try top speed. Too many speed bumps. Feels good. Yeah, so I'm whipping along comfortably at 40-45 kilometers per hour. I have no issue with doing that at all. It's very, very easy to ride. The throttle is comfortable. And it's super comfy. I mean, these tires are huge. There's just too many flies. God, I've got flies in my eyes. I should have brought them. I should have come along and actually used my my helmet, but I didn't. Okay, now we need to go under this bridge. What a nightmare. Such an easy bike to ride. This is so comfortable, 25-30 kilometers per hour. Super easy, and then just hit the throttle and away you go. It's a brilliant piece of kit. Okay, onto the gravel. These fat tires just eat up bumps. I mean, we've got suspension on here, but if it didn't have suspension, it would still be seriously comfortable. Bit of pollen. This is where I can't see any longer. Whoa, I'm starting off in the highest gear. Look at that. Wow, that is amazing. Really, really powerful. Okay, so now I'm in gear 9 and I'm just moving along very slowly. Let's try pushing the throttle in gear 9 and see what happens. Wow, okay. Let's try it. Wow, it's fast. Picks up so quickly. It's a bit bumpy. I'm trying not to rock the camera too much. And seriously fly blown. Flies everywhere. I think I've eaten one. Ugh. Okay, let's get down this road and see how it goes. Okay, that's 35, 40, 45. Okay guys, got to take it down again. I'm going under a bridge, I'm going to die otherwise. Okay, I wasn't going to sit on it and ride it again. Okay, let's try this out. Whoa, so busy. Walkers, cars, everybody. Okay, let's try opening her up again. See if we can get over that 44. Guys, flies everywhere. That was 40. 38. Oh, too many speed bumps. Come on. This is seriously cool bike. I really enjoy it. Okay, that's 42. Let's keep going. 45. 46. 44. Come on. Okay. That is the maximum we can get out of it. So 44.3, I think it was. Seriously impressive. It's a comfy ride. I mean, look, I'm going to hit a speed bump. Okay, that's 42. Let's keep going. Yeah, this is a nice, comfy bike. I mean, you can really weave it around and feels comfy. Okay, that's 42. Let's keep going. Hey, I can read quite clearly, so I can see I'm in assist 9. I've got 90% battery. Speed's easy to read. When the sunlight was hitting it, it wasn't quite as easy, but it's still fairly bright out here today and I haven't got any issues. But it's very comfy and the pedal assist is awesome. And having that throttle down here and just being able to do something with it is fantastic. It's wicked. Motor's easily powerful enough, I would say. If you went bigger, it probably gets a bit of a handful. And I don't mind that on a scooter, but on this, I don't think it needs it. I think it's perfectly quick enough. Okay, pedal assist is off. Oh. Throttle flat. 45, 46. 45. So easy to ride. So easy to ride, I can't get over it. Bumps mean nothing to it. Brakes are good. Brakes feel fine on this. You can really corner on it as well. And you can sort of weave around, no problem at all. It's very comfy to ride. Okay, let's try speed run. Okay, 35. 40. 2, 3, 4, 4 was maximum. 45, 46, 47. 47. It's very comfy. I really like it. This bike's got claim range of 60 miles. I think it's going to be less than that. I mean, obviously that's the claim range. I probably just would divide it by 2, 35, something like that. I think is pretty acceptable on this. I mean, why would you go and buy like a scooter or a moped or, you know, anything of that ilk when you could use this? This is like a mini motorbike, except it's easier to live with. It's simpler to drive. It's just so easy. Okay guys, we're outside my very dirty Tesla. So I hope you have enjoyed this. It's a wicked piece of kit. I really, really rate it. So this is just over £2,400 as it stands. You don't have to have pink. They do nice blacks and greys, and they've got them in white, and I think it was in red. I mean, look on the PET website, so personalelectrictransport.co.uk, and they have all the information and you can see everything about it. But this one's in stock, and I would strongly suggest come down, have a look around it, and give it a ride. Really nice machine. So as ever, thank you ever so much for watching, subscribing, hit that like button, hit the bell, and I'm looking forward to getting the next one out. So we have the smaller sister to this one, and it isn't in pink, so I'm really excited. So I'm going to get that one out in a few days' time. This one's going to come out shortly. Take care. See you soon. Bye.